Hey everybody, how's it going? I just wanted to do a quick update video to clarify a few things about Trifecta tuning. I got a couple of questions in the comments that I didn't really specifically talk about in my video from last week. So as far as the drive modes go, you have the sport mode, eco mode, and then the Towhaul mode. And that only applies to 3.6 liter motors. Those have the sport mode, eco mode, Towhaul mode. If you have the 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder motor, you don't have drive modes. You just have the one tune that is active all the time, regardless of whether you have cruise control or Towhaul mode or a manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic. There's just the one tune mode. There's no specific drive modes. Going back to a 3.6 V6, the way you engage those modes is using the cruise control buttons here. So this is deactivating the cruise control, and right now the truck would technically be in sport mode because there's no indicator here showing we're in cruise control. Now if we simply activate cruise control by pressing that button, the little cruise control icon illuminates in the dash, and now it's in eco mode. And that's the same whether you're just activated but you're not actively cruising, or if you're actually tuned in on a speed and you're cruising on the highway. So this is eco mode and this is sport mode. And then the third drive mode is for Towhaul mode, which you still activate using the Towhaul button down here, and that illuminates the Towhaul icon right there. And I incorrectly stated this in my previous video. I said that Towhaul uses the factory tuning calibrations. When you have a Trifecta tune, it uses the factory shifting patterns and shifting tune from GM. It still uses the Trifecta tuning, specifically the sport mode tuning for the engine. So you're going to get the sport mode tuning with Towhaul mode with the factory shifting patterns of Towhaul. Another thing that I wanted to clear up is in regards to fuel usage. So I said in my video you can use any type of fuel you want, 87, 89, and the computer will automatically adjust to whatever fuel you are using. The computer will adjust down or up depending on the fuel you're using from 87 and 93. It's not an immediate calibration. It actually takes a little bit of time for the computer to recognize you have a different octane fuel. You turn the vehicle on 3 or 4 times in the course of driving with new fuel. It'll eventually learn the new fuel, or it'll do it over a certain amount of miles, typically like a half a tank. Now let's say you accidentally put 87 octane in after you've been driving with 93 for the longest time. Nothing's wrong. It'll eventually just calibrate down to 87, but let's say you get done with that 87 and you want to go back to 93, but you don't want to wait for that 93 to be calibrated. You can just simply take your tune and your flash cable with your laptop and just reflash your truck, and then the fuel map settings will be immediately changed back to the 93 fuel tables, so you don't have to wait for that thing to recalibrate up, since it takes a little bit of time. And also they did say that going from 87 to 93, if you just wait for it to tune up, it does take a little bit longer than, let's say, going from 93 to 87. The computer learns the lower octanes faster than the higher octanes. I just wanted to clarify a few of these things for y'all. A couple of these questions came up in the comments from the previous video, and I've been emailing back and forth with Trifecta just clarifying a few things, so I just wanted to post this quick video for everyone. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't watch the Trifecta video that I'm referring to in this video, make sure you check that. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and as always, love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.